WIIFU. What the heck does that mean? Might have heard of WIIFM. It's a question that goes throughout all of our heads, all of our minds, and we analyze just about everything we see or experience, asking ourselves, at least on a subconscious level, what's in it for me? Well, today on the day one of the 30-day free Get Up and Go challenge for August of 2020, I shared WIIFU, which is what's in it for you, because I want people to know what's in it for them to join the challenge. My personal challenge today was to keep it under 10 minutes, and I actually kept under 8 minutes, which means when I go back and listen to it, I'll probably be like, that wasn't that good. But this way I can hop on live at 11 a.m. and say hey to everybody, because I don't even think I said my name on the video. Sometimes I forget. I think that people know who I am, which of course positively don't. There's 7 to 8 billion people on the planet. I am probably not very well known. Probably, way down there on the how people know who the heck I am totem pole. So excited to start the Get Up and Go 30-day challenge. I freaking love challenges. I've been doing challenges for decades, and actually since I got online, I've been doing challenges even before I came online. In 2017 is when I moved from the brick and mortar world of corporate America and changed and moved to the online world. As part of my divorce, I had to get rid of all my assets, which included the businesses that I was a part of and everything else. And so I had the opportunity to say, okay, I'm old, but I'm not so old that I don't want to do anything anymore. What am I going to do? And I thought, I've always been curious about the internet. Let's hop on there and explore that and see what we can figure out. And so I've done a lot of things online, a lot of things that have absolutely positively flopped and made pretty much, I haven't made all the mistakes you can make, but I've made a whole lot of mistakes. And if I can shortcut even one person from making some of the mistakes I've made, that's why I journal, and that's why I document my journey in this particular format. And part of why I do it in this format is I am visually challenged, and it doesn't take but watching a couple of my videos to figure that out. Usually my eyes are wonky and they're going all over the place because I cannot really see. So I do the best I can. And that's all we can do. We do the best we can with what we've got right now. But I'm excited. Challenges are my jam, and so I'm going to continue to do them because it's my way of giving back and helping people to get what they want. I don't do challenges for me. Unlike most people that do challenges to generate business or get leads or whatever for their business, I get my leads and the people that I work with through different means. I don't do that through my challenges. The challenges are created, number one, to help me grow and personally develop and make progress, but then to bring other people with me. Because guess what? It's a lot more fun having other people go through the journey with you than it is trying to do it all by yourself. It's one of my great lessons that I've had to learn here on the planet, is that it is a lot more fun to do things with people than by myself. I used to believe, and I still in way too many situations, that I got to figure everything out, that I got to do it myself, that I can't ask for help. And that's a continually evolving process for me. So doing challenges is one way that I can help other people, but I'm also inadvertently asking for help because I learn more by doing the challenges than I actually teach. That might sound weird, but I'm always open to learning, and I'm hoping that the people that go through the challenges with me are open to giving just as much as they are to receiving. Anyway, that's a sidetrack. So, day one on the books, all about WIIFU. What's in it for them? What's in it for you as a listener to participate in the challenge? And there's several things that are in it for people. If you don't know, tune in at the Get Up and Go challenge page at 11 a.m. Central Time. Today's Supersize Your Business was about don't look a gift horse in the mouth. And this idiom, I didn't realize, and it's interesting, the book that I have of idioms that I pull these from for my Supersize Your Business page didn't have any history in there. It just talked about, well, you can tell how old a horse is when you look at its mouth by the shape and the condition of its teeth. And if you look too closely, you might think it's a bad horse. Same thing with a gift. If you look too closely at a gift or analyze it too much, you might miss the intent of the person giving the gift, and you might judge it and hurt their feelings inadvertently. And I was surprised. This is one of those idioms that's been around since the 4th century AD, which it's, hundreds and hundreds of years, centuries old. And that's probably why it's familiar to me and probably many of the people that you come in contact in your life. Have you ever given a present to somebody and they clearly hated it or didn't appreciate it? Or my ex used to always start trying to guess how much something costs, which totally always hurt my feelings. It was like, really, I spent 6 months looking for this gift for you to surprise you, because you always guess what the gift is. And now not only will you guess what it is, but you're going to sit and guess how much I spent on it. It's like cutting off somebody's finger. It just hurts your feelings. So don't look a gift horse in the mouth. Don't always analyze the features of the gift and the how much it costs. Especially look for the intent. Why did somebody give you a gift? Did they give you a gift just to thank you or to show their appreciation or that they love you? Then just graciously accept it and thank them for that. And then learn to appreciate the positives in that gift, not any little thing that you can find that's wrong with it. Fun challenge today was about being foolish, behaving foolishly with your pet. And it was about how dogs are awesome because you can, behave foolishly around your dog and your dog's never going to judge you. And heck, your dog will get right back up there and slobber and play with you in a foolish way. So that was our fun challenge today, is to find something foolish, do something foolish and have fun with it today. So obviously I'm always doing challenges, even when I'm not doing the main challenge, the Get Up and Go challenge. I'm doing other challenges, the fun challenge, the 365-day challenge, to find one fun thing in each day of 2020. I don't think I could have picked a better topic for the year of 2020 than fun, because a lot of what's been going on in 2020 hasn't necessarily felt like fun for me or for anybody else. So if we can find the fun and the positive in any day, that's just going to help us get through anything that we're faced with much, much easier. So that's what I'm working on. I'm working on a bunch of challenges today, working on a couple of other projects on the side that have to do with challenges, but I'm still not ready to share them. I'll share them when I get them done, and I'm deciding how I'm going to present them out into the world and what I'm going to do with them. A couple of them are those involving some of the incredible people I've met over the course of my life, and I think it's going to be fun to share those. So that's it. That's all I've got today. Go out making an absolutely fantastic, fun, and amazing day. And if I can help in any way, ask in the questions below, or ask in the comments section below, or direct message me, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom. And I will be with you tomorrow, documenting my journey from brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world of business. And it's no more smooth a ride than the offline world was. Here I thought that I would pop online and magico presto, I would duplicate my offline success online in record time. And that was my fantasy. It definitely has not been my reality, although there have been highs and lows, just like in the offline world. Have an amazing day, and I will, of course, be with you tomorrow.